For decades, the world's most powerful navies made the same decision. They removed their guns. They looked at their massive rapid-fire cannons and decided they were obsolete. Missiles were smarter. Missiles were faster. Missiles would handle every threat. They were wrong. Because nobody predicted a $2,000 drone could sink a $1 billion warship. And now every navy on the planet is desperately trying to bring back the weapon they threw away. After World War II, naval warfare changed completely. Guided missiles could hit targets 100 miles away. Radar could track threats before they were visible. The logic was simple. Why keep a gun that shoots 2 miles when a missile can shoot 100? So they stripped the cannons off their ships. The Bofors guns, the twin-barrel mounts, the rapid-fire systems that had defended fleets since World War II. Replaced by missile batteries that cost $500,000 per shot. The US Navy invested billions in the Aegis missile defense system, the most advanced naval shield ever built. But Aegis was designed to stop Soviet supersonic missiles, Russian submarines, nuclear warheads. Nobody designed it to stop a drone the size of a washing machine built in a garage for $2,000. October 2023, Red Sea. US Navy destroyers intercept wave after wave of Houthi drone attacks targeting commercial shipping. Each standard missile used to shoot them down cost $2.1 million. Each drone costs $2,000. The math is catastrophic. One destroyer carrying 96 missiles can be drained in a single afternoon of drone attacks. And here's what nobody talks about. The Houthis aren't a superpower. They don't have satellites. They don't have stealth technology. They have cheap drones. Hundreds of them. Launched simultaneously to overwhelm the defense system through pure numbers. This is called saturation attack, and no missile battery in the world was designed to stop it. Because when 50 drones attack at once, a ship carrying 96 missiles suddenly has a math problem. The answer was sitting in naval history all along. The Phalanx CIWS, a 20mm rotary cannon that fires 4,500 rounds per minute, radar-guided, fully automatic, no human required. It was already on most US Navy ships, but it was considered a last resort, a backup system. No, it's the primary defense against drone swarms. Because a cannon firing 4,500 rounds per minute doesn't care how many drones you send. It just keeps shooting. But the Phalanx is being upgraded. The Navy is now testing the CRAM system, a combination of the Phalanx radar with 11 rolling airframe missiles for medium-range threats. Germany is reinstalling Bofors cannons on their frigates. The UK is bringing back 30mm autocannons on their Type 45 destroyers. Even the US Army is deploying the Vulcan air defense system on land vehicles. The same rotary cannon technology from the 1960s, rebuilt for 2024. Because the most advanced military technology on the planet just learned something humiliating. Sometimes the old solution is the right solution. A $2,000 drone doesn't care how sophisticated your missile is, but it absolutely cares about 4,500 rounds per minute heading directly toward it. The navies that spent decades removing their guns are now racing to put them back. The Phalanx, the Bofors, the autocannon, weapons designed in a different century, are now the most effective defense against the most modern threat in naval warfare. Because war doesn't care about elegance. It doesn't care about cost per shot. It cares about what works. And right now, a spinning barrel firing 4,500 rounds per minute is what works. The weapon every Navy forgot is back. And this time, they won't make the same mistake twice. If this changed how you see modern naval warfare, subscribe, because next week we're covering the weapon that makes the Phalanx look slow.